Codesignal, arcade, databases, item counts. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving item counts from Codesignal. Let's begin. So you're put in charge of the inventory database available items, which has the following structure right here. Now you know there's a note that it is possible for items that are different types to have the same name. See, the database is large and it takes forever to go through the queries, so given the available items table, write a select statement which returns the following three columns: item type, name, count, and containing the names of their items and their types and their amount of items respectively. And we should sort the item type in ascending order, and items of the same type sorted in ascending order should be done by their names as well. So let's see this example. Holy crap, that's a big example. And if I look at the output, it should look like this. I mean, feel free to pause and calculate with your brains to know how to do this. But if you just want the answer right away, like every other kid, I'll give you the answer and some explanation as well. So first, see that we could need to select. We want the item name and we want the item type. But how do we get the item count? So to do that, I have to count. Alright, I want to count the item names and I'll give it the nickname as item count from, what table was it from? Available items. Now, the reason I did this count here, at first you might think, like, wouldn't that get just all the counts of all these items? No, unless you use this function, which is called group by. So what I'll be doing is I'll be grouping these by certain categories. So when there's certain repetition with some of these rows, it would be grouped together as its own sum for that segment. For example, if I want to group by item name and also item type, because that's another category we have to consider, it's going to show all the counts for the item names and item types, and also to count for that corresponding combination. That's how it works. Count could get the mini summations of per combo of an item name and item type of what's available in that table. And I want to do this by a certain order, so it's ordered by, let's see about this, should be sorted in ascending order by item type. Oh, sorry, let me see about this. Yeah, item type first, I believe. Then, in ascending order, and also by item name. Hope I did this right. Now if I run tests, we'll see what happens. Awesome. I'm curious, does it have to be item, I think, wouldn't, if I just do like this, just asterisk, going to see what happens. It works the same way as well. Now I hit submit. Great, it passed. Alright guys, I hope you like my content. This group by takes some time to digest. There's some good websites that explain how to use group by. Feel free to check it out. I might post a link in the description. There might be a helpful explanation of how group bys work. If not, just like and subscribe, and the answer to all your questions will fall from the heavens. I'm just kidding. Ask Google. Google's your heaven. No, just joking. See ya, guys.